Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel with another question, daily question every day. From now on, let's solve each and every daily question that is posted on LeetCode. Let's be consistent, let's do coding and be make ourselves proud, okay? Let's start with the daily question for today, which is type of triangle. I'll just first read through the question and then you can read the question afterwards. You are given zero indexed integer array nums of size 3 which can form the sides of a triangle. A triangle is called equilateral if all of its sides are equal. A triangle is called isosceles if it exactly has two sides of equal length. A triangle is called scalene if all of its sides are of different lengths. And there's a special case which is saying return a string representing the type of triangle that can be formed or none if it cannot form a triangle. Okay, I'm just giving you 5 seconds of time so that you can understand the question, like what it does actually, right? Just go through the question. I hope you've gone through the question. So now let's think how you can solve this question. If you're randomly given a kind of this problem and ask you to solve, how will you do it? If I was supposed to do it, or back then when I was a kid, if I was asked to solve it, how will I do it? Seeing the example, I'll just see, consider this indexes in the array as the sides of triangle, okay? If I assume there's a triangle, right? I assume there's a triangle which has the sides 3, 3, 3. If you're asked what kind of triangle it is, what will you answer? It's an equilateral triangle, obviously, because all of its sides are equal. And then assuming another triangle which has the sides 3, 4, 5. Yes, here you should be careful. A triangle is something when two of its sides are added together, the sum of adding two sides should be greater than the third side, right? So in this case, 3, 4, 5. When you add 3 plus 4, which is 7, it is obviously greater than 5. If it is not greater than the third side, you will consider it as not a triangle, right? You won't consider it as a triangle. I hope you get it because this is the basic rule that we were taught in our childhood, that how a triangle actually forms. And now let me give you some other two normal example. Now the first one, you answer this. What kind of triangle it is? 1, 2, 1. You also have to think about the other triangle, which is isosceles triangle, right? Now, seeing this, what do you think? Two, at least if two sides are equal, it is isosceles, right? The first one is isosceles, right? The second one, 3, 5, 6. None of its sides are equal. Then what is it called? It's a scalene triangle, right? I hope you get me what I'm talking about. Let's solve this question. Let's put our thoughts together in a coding way, right? The basic thing. If sum of two sides should be greater than third side, it is a triangle, right? If it is satisfying that case, it will go to the other cases as well. So let's start with the basic thing. Let's sort this first, okay? Because sorting will make the, what do you say? Sorting will make it easier to understand. So let me solve this. Nums dot sort, right? Now, if if nums of 0 plus nums of 1 is less than or equals to nums of 2, you need not have any traversing in this say. Why? Because triangle is only 3 sides, so you need not traverse through the array. It's just you can go through the indexes 0, 1, 2 in nums, right? If it is this, you return none, right? If let's go with the first equilateral case, okay? If nums of 0 equals to nums of 1 equals to nums of 2, if all the three sides are equal, we return equilateral. If at least two sides are equal, nums of 0 equals to nums of 1, or nums of 1 equals to nums of 2. We written what? At least two sides are equal. Then it is isosceles, right? Else you return what? What is left? Scalene, right? You understand what I'm saying? So let's run the code. Yes. Yes, all the test cases have passed right now. So we are here. Yes. So I hope you understood the question. For more videos, please subscribe, please like, please understand what the problem actually does, and you can do coding questions as well. You can solve it like this. Okay? So please go through all the videos. I will be posting every day. I'll be consistent with you guys so that you can refer if you have any in if you don't understand anything. Okay, I'll be explaining you solution as well. How can you do? This is my way of approach. I do it this way. If you guys have something to tell me or suggest me that you're not able to understand something, or you're not good at it, or you can do better, you can suggest me in the comments below. I will definitely go through all this and get back to you with good effort for the next daily question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.